Friends, today we're at Asia's largest exhibition, CIFF 2026. Thousands of factories are showcasing their products, but we've picked only the best for you. Let's go take a look. Friends, today we are at the largest furniture exhibition, CFFF, in Guangzhou. Let's see what interesting things the Chinese manufacturers have to offer. In our videos, we've often shown you kitchens in the style of Rimadecio and Polyform, but here I like this kitchen because it really stands out from all the others. Look at this beautiful wine-colored marble and how nicely it pairs with the dark walnut. Plus, it has this slatted surface that really enhances the kitchen and hidden handles that are easy to use for opening and closing the doors. If you like this kitchen style, then a great addition would be to have a console like this, with these matching wall panels. If your space allows for it, then I think it's a really excellent idea. Just look at what a gorgeous piece of work this is. The factory does a great job with natural stone like travertine and marble. Everything here is made out of marble. The pattern is just stunning, and they offer full customization for any project in any size. I really like the ergonomics here. Everything is so well thought out. The island is fully utilized, cabinets open from that side. And this one, just look at these amazing doors. It has a push-to-open system at the bottom and a hidden handle on top. Everything is top-notch. Natural marble lovers will be absolutely delighted with this factory. This manufacturer has a huge selection of products. They make tables, consoles, built-in furniture, and even massive cabinets from solid stone. Besides furniture, the factory also offers decor and plumbing fixtures, all made from natural stone. Friends, it's always a pleasure to see not just replicas, but truly original products. This sofa was fully developed by a Chinese factory in collaboration with an Italian designer. It has such a fluid, pleasant shape, and it's very soft. I've already tried it out. The designer was inspired by spring and the opening of flower buds. It's a solid, high-quality material. Look, it features natural walnut veneer and genuine leather. Let's head over here. I'll sit down now and show you just how comfortable it is to sit on. It's a very deep sofa and quite soft. I generally like soft sofas because I believe a sofa should primarily be for comfort, not just for looks. And when those two things come together, it's just perfect. I also want to show you a table that really inspired me. Look at how beautiful this is. The table is made of natural marble and natural walnut veneer. Look at this beauty. It has a very lovely, sleek, streamlined shape. I also really like this chair. So this is also entirely the factory's own design, and we haven't seen anything like it anywhere else. Let us know in the comments what you think of this design. Take a look at this bed. It's from the same collection. I like it because it has such an organic look to it, and they use very expensive, high-quality materials. This bed really exudes luxury, and it would easily fit into almost any interior. It's very versatile. I love to buy a bed like this for my own bedroom. I also like this console table here. Let's take a look. This console uses materials like marble, natural wood, and genuine leather. It's beautifully made, and I like that the mirror isn't built in, but can be mounted on the wall. That way there's much more space on the table, and I think a table like this has more functional space than when the mirror is placed directly on the console. What do you think? How do you like this idea for your bedroom? I also like these coffee tables here. They have an angular design, but look at how organically they fit into the space. And they really stand out from many of the tables factories are presenting now. I also like this console, which also has sharp angles and a geometric shape. Give us a like if you enjoyed it too. Longtime viewers of our channel will surely recognize this furniture. It's furniture I really like, by Boca do Lobo. We've worked with this factory for a long time, and they first mastered working with brass and metal. It's not easy. Not every factory can pull that off. And then they moved on to Boca do Lobo furniture. They recreate furniture in the Boca do Lobo style, as well as creating their own models that simply echo that style and add something new. So you get these interesting new models appearing. The furniture itself is quite comfortable, and it looks very striking. In general, I'd say the Boca do Lobo brand is unlike any other. I also wanted to show you this table. To be honest, this table reminds me more of some models from Henge. And I noticed there's an issue here. Natural marble is used and there's a crack. The crack happened because it was simply packed incorrectly. When we ship items to our clients, we use very careful packaging, so you don't have to worry about receiving an item in this condition. This is clearly a bit of an oversight. They were probably in a rush, as often happens at exhibitions. With all the hustle and bustle, some movers dropped it, and that's how it happened. I also wanted to show you these beautiful mirrors, which have a very bold, recognizable style. Instantly recognizable. Even those who know little about furniture, after seeing these mirrors just once, will never confuse them with anything else. And how could you possibly walk past a dresser like this? Look at how beautiful it is. It could be a striking accent piece for your living or dining room. The dresser is just incredibly interestingly made. Take a look. I also want to point out a major trend from this past year, and for the next few. It is furniture made of travertine. Specifically, these two tables you see are made from natural travertine. They are very beautiful and are crafted in the Boca do Lobo style. What do you think? Friends, I'll remind you that my company Globus has been supplying luxury furniture from China for over 15 years. And not just furniture, lighting, plumbing, finishing and construction materials, it's all profitable to buy in China. If you're interested in this service, just click the link in the description. This factory is our partner. We've worked with them for a long time. This factory is notable because they work so well with natural wood and leather. If you like styles such as Wabi-Sabi or Eco style, then it's a perfect fit. Look at this sofa. This sofa is from the new collection. A designer from Hong Kong made it specifically for them to present at this exhibition. The model is very soft. I like it, and I also like the quality of the stitching. Look, it's this cross stitch, very beautiful and yet very even, and I think it really highlights these shapes. Also, take note of these small tables, also in an eco style, including a style similar to Hermes tables. It's made with leather here and natural wood here, and I like the armrest here because of how it's finished. Look, they did the finish so it seems like there's no lacquer at all, though there actually is. And I want to show you some other models as well. Look here at how they work with the eco style, you see. I mean, specifically these joints of wood and metal. They do an excellent job with that at this factory. They also make replicas. Take a look at this chair. This is a Giorgetti chair. And the table is from their own personal collection. Overall, it's a very, very soft and comfortable seat. And if you like the eco style, then I think it will fit your concept perfectly. This manufacturer also presents an Hermes collection. It is very cozy and beautiful. Look, I've already tried sitting on both the sofa and the armchair. I personally liked it very much. It has a kind of, homey comfort to it. I'd also like to show you this shelf here. Look at this beautiful dark walnut. And by the way, I ordered the table for my dining room from this very factory, and I really like it. This is a case where the Chinese manufacturers didn't get quite what they planned. Look, this is a direct replica of the Hans Voyage armchair, but the feel of the object is completely different here. First, look at these handles. The frame itself, it's made of metal, just like in the Hans, but because of this ugly gray color, it completely cheapens the product and kills all the beauty. Additionally, the cushions are made in a completely different shape, and that also really makes it look different. And this part here, it extends. This sofa will appeal to all lovers of minimalism. Also, take a look at these beautiful side tables for the sofa. They're made of marble and travertine, which is very trendy right now. Besides that, they've also added a travertine insert right here. Friends, look at these funny chairs made of natural oak. They're shaped like a palm. The one that you just sit down and your legs dangle like this, as if you're short, but of course you're not. How do you like this model? Would you buy it for your home? It's immediately clear that this factory was inspired by the Minotti Twiggy sofa, and generally between the Minotti Twiggy and the Dylan model, because look, there's this marble insert here, a marble table, while the Twiggy has these specific stitches, geometric lines, and their color palette is also very similar. Overall, the sofa is very pleasant, very soft. And it's actually quite good that they changed something and added their own touch. It's obvious that when creating this sofa, they were inspired by the extra soft model from Living Divani. Only here, I think, on the contrary, the model lost out, because in the extra soft, even though it's soft, the lines are still smooth and clearly defined. Here, there's a certain general sloppiness, and I think the sofa only suffered because of it. Overall, I like this bed for its long headboard. It's 4 meters long. Besides that, you can change the shape, thanks to the movement of the bed's backrest. And the bed can look completely different, which can affect your mood. Another striking example of a chair that's made with an absolutely unique design in China. Look at how beautiful it looks. It's made in a minimalist style, French classic and eco style. Look at what an interesting, vibrant look. What do you think? Here we see a sofa that has modern shapes, but at the same time, classic elements. Look at this backrest, it's fixed. There are also modules that are just rectangular, classic. It's very interestingly made. Friends, I really hope that you enjoyed our review. If you have a design project, you can send it to us and we'll calculate all the items for your project completely free of charge. And you'll see just how beneficial it is for you. This was Matvey from the Globus company. Bye everyone.